Yo people, what's good? Welcome back to the channel. Thank God for the day. Hope you're all blessed. So today I'm at AES, electrical specialist. They do BMWs, Audis, VWs, fam, you see all the cars here that they have. Do bare cars. Obviously it's next door to Torque Technics, so yeah, come check these guys out, cool people. Anyway, so today guys, we're gonna attempt to debadge my car. Obviously I told you guys that I was planning to do that. I'm excited, I'm mad excited because I've never actually, you know, like done this before or seen how it gets done. I just hear people talking about it. So today guys, we're gonna show you the process of how to debadge your car. Obviously in this example, we're gonna do my car, which is C-Class. So yeah, hopefully it goes smooth. There's nothing crazy happens. But yeah, I just thought I'll document the process in case any of you guys wanna do the same to your car. You just kind of know the steps and the process that you have to do in able to debadge your car. So yeah, let's go. Car's looking beautiful, got the mods on. Come round to the front real quick, show you. Ooh, baby, ooh, baby. Okay people, quick little voiceover here. So as you can see, my boy Hamza is heating up the badge. We're using a heat gun and apply tool. If you don't have a heat gun, then you can use a hair blow dryer, and I believe even dental floss if you don't have a apply tool, but you can pick them up at Amazon. Anyway, yeah, so we're heating up the badge for about 10 to 15 minutes, just making sure that that glue, that bonding glue is just lifting, it softens up, making sure as well that we're not too close to the car because we don't want the car paint to melt. And yeah, so we start off with the D on the C220D. And it lifted off pretty easy, to be fair. As you can see, Hamza's just taking time, making sure he doesn't scratch the paint or anything. And bam, that's the first one down, as you can see. You know what I mean? So yeah guys, at this point, we're just working our way through now. It gets easier and easier. As you can see, Hamza doing a little 1-2 step there. But yeah, and it was quite hot out on this day, so I think that probably helped as well. Yeah guys, now as you can see, off comes the 0. Bam, another one, collecting them. I'm just trying to be gentle with it again, not trying to scratch my paint or anything, but yeah, it just gets easier and easier, to be fair. As you just continue to heat it up, the glue just starts to lift really. Yeah, bam, off comes another 2. Then you got the last one. I'll say the last one, the C, it was a little bit harder. I'm not sure why, because technically that got exposed to the most amount of heat, so you'd think that would just slide off. But yeah, as you can see guys, we've got all this glue left over, so I'm just trying to pick it, use the ply tool again, softly, gently, but that wasn't really working, so we went to some water, put a little bit of fairy liquid in there as well, just to, you know, hopefully thinking that it's just gonna lift the residue off. As you can see, it's not working. It's not working whatsoever. We was here for about 45 minutes to an hour. Didn't move, look at that, terrible. But anyway, back to the video for what we did next. Yo people, what's good? So I went to the shop to get some tar and sap remover because yeah, we've taken off the badges. Let me show you guys real quick. So as you can see, we've taken off the badge. That's it there, C220D. But you can see all this little residue, or I guess whatever you want to call it, it's just left on the car, and honestly I don't want to drive around with my car looking like that. So I got this, and hopefully we're gonna put this onto the car, and yeah, it should come off. If it doesn't, then yeah, I don't know, man, but cool. All right people, so we're back now, and as you can see, Zolly, he's applying the remover to the residue, and at first we just start off with a little bit just to make sure that it actually does what it's supposed to do, because you don't want to put on loads and then something crazy happens. I'm coming through with the solution from earlier, the water and soap solution, and I'm not gonna lie guys, the remover worked pretty much instantly. You put it on for about 2 minutes, and then yeah, it started coming off. Obviously we need to put more, but this was just a tester, and as you can see, like the C has almost gone. So once we saw that it was working, we started adding more, and I'm not gonna lie, big bro was being a little bit stingy with the remover. He could have added a lot more, and I was telling him, I was like, bro, add more. He was like, yeah. He wasn't listening. Also, another thing to note guys as well is that we flipped the car around just because it was really hot this day, super hot. The car was boiling, so we thought, you know, we'd flip it around into the shade just to allow it to cool down, and hopefully the remover will work at a higher optimum as well, just because, you know, it'll be better temperatures, because I'm sure these products work best in certain temperatures. So yeah, as you can see, adding the remover, and we let it sit for around about, I would say 5 to 10 minutes, maybe 15. Anyway guys, that's it with the voiceover. Hope you enjoy the rest of the video. Yo people, so we're back, and as you can see, the C220D is off, but also all the leftover residue that was on the car has gone. Obviously there's a little bit of, what do you call these, like fibers that's still on the car, but the car's gonna get cleaned at some point, so there's nothing to worry about with that. But yeah, now I just feel like the car looks a lot cleaner from the back, a lot more symmetrical, if that makes sense. The left side is the same as the right, vice versa. Obviously you got the blacked out exhaust pipes as well. So yeah, I feel it looks nice now. But yeah guys, that's it. It was a pretty simple process, to be fair. The badge came off relatively easy. It was just the leftover glue residue, tire residue, whatever you want to call it, that was left on the car that we had to remove. That was really, really hard. Obviously, like I said, I need to get the car detailed and then it's gonna look sweet in it. But yeah guys, so you've seen the process now. So if you've got a car that you want to debadge or whatever you want to debadge, bam, now you know what to do. But I hope you guys like this one. Make sure you comment, like, share, subscribe, all that rare to your boys. Gone.